Hello, my name is Calvina Calhoun, and I've been trying to learn how to trade Forex for a long time, for like 10 years now, but I really, I really never understood it until I joined the Forex for Beginners family. And on there, I've learned chart analysis, Fibonacci retracement, learn how to read charts, learn to know which way the signals are moving, or which way they're gonna move. I've learned a lot, and I'm ready to learn more. I'm ready to learn more, and I'm ready to begin trading and, you know, being my own boss. Before this, I was a CNA, and, I help take care of the elderly, but I want to, I want to make some money, my own money, be my own boss, you know. And I want to do it step at a time. I want to learn first, and I don't want to be greedy with it. And I want to say thanks for allowing me to learn this information, and I'm looking forward to learning more. Thank you.